They are, one is a written constitution. Second one is unwritten constitution. Unwritten constitution. Okay. Constitution is classified into two types. First one written constitution, second one unwritten constitution. Okay. So Indian constitution is best example to written constitution. Everything is in written form. Everything is in written form. Written constitution. Okay. Best example Indian constitution, American constitution, French constitution and some other constitutions there. Okay. So our constitution is lengthy constitution. Already in our last classes I told very clearly. Entire the world the biggest constitution is Indian constitution. The smallest constitution is, so that is American constitution. The biggest constitution is Indian constitution, because different religion people are here, different culture people are here, different traditional people are here. So first of all, the huge population is in India. So our constituent assembly members, okay, given importance to the people regarding their customs, usages, traditions, culture, etc. So at the time of constitution came into force, number of articles 395, number of articles 395, number of parts 25, number of parts 25. Okay, at that time just only 22 parts, present 25. Number of schedules just only 8. Number of schedules 8. Okay, number of articles 395, number of parts 22, number of schedules 8. Number of schedules 8. Okay. At the time of constitution came into force, number of articles 395, number of parts 22, number of schedules 8. We call them as mother constitution articles. Okay. Mother constitution parts, mother constitution schedules. Okay. They may ask question, how many mother constitution articles? We have to say 395 articles. Okay. They may ask question you, how many parts of mother constitution? 22. How many schedules of mother constitution? 8. So at the time of constitution came into force, number of articles 395, number of parts 22, number of schedules 8. So from 1950 to till today, okay, up to 2023, number of changes came in society. Political changes came, social changes came, economic changes came. So according to these changes, we made some changes in constitution. So altogether, present number of schedules 12, number of parts 25, number of articles 485. So these are present number of articles, parts, schedules in Indian constitution. So time being, we are making some changes in constitution and enhancing articles, parts and schedules. Okay.